Birthday gift just arrived, and it's from one of my best friends. I'm very excited to open this because I already know what's inside, but I'm still very excited to finally have one of these. I've been watching this item. I couldn't pull the trigger because I felt like I don't have enough excuse to buy a new shoe. So it's from Converse. If you've been watching my previous videos, I recently got a pair of boots, the Toro boots from matches.com, and I also got my Benedetta Brusica's mules. And I also recently got myself a birthday gift. So I've been watching this specific item from Converse, and I was like, man, I already have or bought 3 pairs of shoes just this year, and I'm like, do I need another one? But then my friend asked me what I want for my birthday, and I saw these and they were on sale, and I thought, okay, maybe she could get them for me. And the price is very reasonable. It was $40 Canadian dollars, so I thought for this specific item it was a very great deal. So let's check it out. Here it is, a pair of Converse, and it's the one with the platform sole. Here they are. Oops. Uh-oh. Okay, it took me a while to continue this unboxing. As you could see, I've already changed clothes. It's because there was a problem with the item and it's my fault, but let's go ahead and do it. When I was filming the other day, I was shocked and I had to contact my friend right away because here are the shoes. I noticed that the shoes are super big, and I mentioned earlier I picked this myself. The website is JD Sport, and I filtered, you know, women category, women size 6.5 because that's the size, that's my true to size shoe size. And when I saw them, the size, it's 6.5, but it's for men. Oh, and this is women 8.5. That's the equivalent. Now these were clearance, so they cannot be returned or replaced. So that's a bad news for me. I tried them. They are at least an inch long. It's a bummer, I know, and I love this color. It's very neutral. It will even look great in this outfit I'm wearing right now. I will still show you guys, but yeah, they are very big. The good news though is that this is my sister's size, so I asked my friend if it's okay with her if I give this to my sister, because I will not be able to use them. I might still be able to use them, maybe if I'm wearing pants, because it will kind of hide the length of the shoe, and it's actually pretty comfortable. The width is perfect. It's just the length. It's an inch long, so it is not practical for me to keep them for myself. Unfortunately, they cannot be returned or replaced, but yep, there they are. Let me try them anyway. Okay, so because these are high cut, they will not slip out. You could see that it's a little bigger. Yep, it's about an inch or maybe 0.75. So I could still walk on them. Again, because they're high cut, they will not slip out. The only issue is that they're long. Look at that. Yep, so my toes are not reaching the tip of the shoes at all, and also it's not reaching the backmost part of the shoes right here. So if I'm just standing like this, there's definitely no issue, but when I start walking, I can tell that my ankle will start getting tired because I will be like dragging the shoes, and it will not be easy for me to be bending my foot because of the size. There you go. Maybe if before I send it to my sister, I'll wear it once just to test it out. But yeah, just to show you the outfit that I'm wearing right now. This is pretty much the kind of outfit I wear during summertime. This is, by the way, my husband's shirt. It's size small. He wears medium now, so I'm keeping it. I'm so bummed because, again, I'm very, very excited to have these shoes finally. I've been, wanting to get myself one of them. So that was a little disappointing, but I am very, very thankful to my friend Christine. We actually have the same name and we've been friends since grade school. We were classmates in 5th and 6th grade, and then we were classmates again in high school. Like in the Philippines, it's 1st to 4th year high school, so we were classmates. We were schoolmates in college. She took nursing, I took mass communication. We've always been communicating. We try to catch up whenever we can. And when I moved to the US, she then, after a few years, she moved to Canada. And then in 2017, 2018, we moved to Washington State in Blaine, which is very close to the Canadian border, where she lives in Vancouver. And from then, we always, see each other because Vancouver to where I live was only like about 40 minutes away. And yeah, we've been friends for a very long time, so I am very, very grateful to my dear friend for sending me the gift. I truly appreciate it. Thanks again, Christine. And that concludes our unboxing for today. We'll have a few more unboxing this week, so stay tuned. Thanks again for sticking with me. To all my subscribers, you guys are one of the best birthday gift I have this year. And for those who are not subscribed yet and you like fashion, beauty, and being artsy, please consider subscribing, because in this channel we will just be sharing lots of great styles, deals, and great finds. Until next time, bye bye.